welcome back to my channel. My name is meribahMUA. Today I wanted to film a very quick short tutorial for you for all of my gym bunnies out there. I know a lot of women struggle with, going to the gym barefaced. They feel like a little self-conscious. And I know a lot of women tend to wear makeup at the gym, so I wanted to do a makeup tutorial for those women who like to wear a little bit of makeup but don't want anything heavy and that you can still sweat in and won't ruin your pores. Of course, always make sure to wash your face after you work out to get rid of any of the oil and dirt and impurities. But yeah, so we're just doing a really quick makeup tutorial. This is perfect for the gym, or if you just need something in the hurry so you don't look like a mess and you need to go run errands or whatever, go to the grocery store. So please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on social media. That'll be linked over here somewhere. And if you want to see how I did this natural look, then keep on watching. So to get started, I really want my skin to look luminous and dewy, so I'm using the MAC Strobe cream and I'm applying this all over my face. I've already done like my moisturizer and cleansed my skin this morning. My skin might just look a little red, and that's because I did pick at my face a little bit. I don't know, I always have blackheads and I always try and like extract them whenever I see them, which I need to stop because it's just making my skin red, so I needed to stop doing it, do it like once a month or something. Okay, so for the gym, I just really want my skin to be protected with SPF and look natural, and I want something that I can kind of sweat in that's not going to look like it's dripping off my face. So I am using the It Cosmetics CC cream. I've talked about this before on my channel. This is 50 SPF, so this is really great. And I'm just gonna apply this with my fingers, which I normally would not do. But I really just want to show you guys a quick, easy, a light coverage that you can do. That's really easy and natural. Sorry, I'm trying to talk while I do this. So you do want to just be kind of careful around the eyebrows. So as you can see, this coverage is very light, and look at my hands. It just absorbs right into the skin no problem. So that's pretty cool. Sometimes it's just nice to use your fingers and just, apply stuff on your own. Now, if you're like me, you just kind of have bags under your eyes, and I mean, it's not really something that you need to cover up every day, but I do have them, so I'm just going to cover them up really lightly here with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I am using my finger again to blot out the concealer. You always want to use these two fingers, so your pinky and then the finger next to your pinky when you're working underneath your eye, because it's the lightest pressure. I learned that in school, so we're just blotting this out. And you can take it up over the eye too if you have some discoloration above the eye. But so we're blotting this out. So I look really freaking pale, as usual. We're using the Fit Me pressed powder here, and we are just, I'm gonna actually try and apply with this sponge here. And I'm just gonna press this in to the skin. You can see the back. It doesn't move around too much product. I can still see a little bit of redness coming through on my chin. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer there. And then we're just pressing that concealer in. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention I already did my eyebrows. I did them with the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. This is obviously like a very natural looking brow, so that's why I went with that. Okay, now using just like a rounded brush here, I am just buffing over really quick here. And then with this fan brush here, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just gonna bronze up my cheeks a little bit. I'm not putting on any blush. For me, when I work out, I naturally get red from the workout, so I don't need to do that. So I'm just kind of warming up my face here. This is especially important if you have really fair skin and you don't want your skin to look super washed out. So, over here in my face. All right, and then for highlighter, I really like to look a little bit glowy when I'm in the gym. So I'm taking this brush with my Anastasia, oh my god. This is the Josie Moran Illuminizing veil, and I'm gonna put this up here. This is a very natural looking highlighter, and this is just gonna kind of give your skin a little more glow. There's nothing better than looking dewy and glowy when you are working out. And I'm gonna just take a little bit on my nose here. And just above the eyebrow. See, it's nothing crazy, but it's very pretty and natural. If you're a little tired, you can take this Tarte Fake Awake pencil. And we're just gonna drop this in the waterline here. And this is just gonna make you look a little more awake. I mean, it actually matches my nails. I just realized that. I just got my nails done. I love this color. Freaking I'm obsessed with like beigey nail colors again. And then we are gonna just put on just a little bit of eyeshadow, you guys. Like, you know, if you're running errands or whatever, you still wanna look super cute. This is the Kyshadow bronze palette. I'm taking this light shade here. We're gonna just dust this all over the eyes really quick, this light shade. And then with another blending brush, we're just gonna take this light brown shade here in the corner, and we're just gonna go into the crease here. I know it looks a little crazy, just trust the process. And then we're taking this blending brush here. You're just gonna go over this and literally just blend this color out. So it looks super snatched, super blended. And it's just giving your eyes just a little bit of dimension. Okay, then for mascara, we're using the L'Oreal, what is this stuff? We're using the Lancome Sumptuous Extreme. We are gonna curl our eyelashes first and then apply some mascara. And then we're gonna go over this a second coat. And I did get a little bit on my lid. Not a big deal. You can just take a brush and just smudge that out. And then for lip gloss, we're using this MAC lip gloss. It's Just Like Honey. This is from the Mariah Carey collection, but like any nude gloss really would work. And I like a nude gloss just because it really looks fun and flirty, but I would also just recommend bringing chapstick with you always in your gym bag, because chapstick is just a great thing to have in your gym bag. So now to just set this really quickly, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Fix+Spray. This is the coconut one. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this really quick tutorial. I just wanted to show you super easy makeup to do before you go to the gym or before you leave your house when you're like running errands or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know what videos you want to see from me. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.